moving to our second part of the video. In the first part of video we have already discussed about what is a polynomial and how many types of polynomial of that means polynomial of degree 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is called linear polynomials, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. In this video, part of this video, we have learned how to find the division of monomial by a monomial. That means by dividing one variable and constant term to another variable and constant term. That is, for example, we have divided a upon b is equal to c. Also, a is equal to bc. So, let's start our topic, that is division of monomial by monomial. Division of monomial A by monomial B means finding a monomial C such that A is equal to BC. Thus, A upon B is equal to C, where A is a dividend, B is a divisor and C is a quotient. A is a dividend, B is a divisor and C is a quotient. For suppose we have given a number like this. That means 4 is divided by 2. So what is our dividend? That is 4. And what is our divisor? 2. When we divide 2 by 4, 2 2s are 4. And 0 is our remainder and 2 is our quotient. That means A is our dividend, B is our divisor and C is our quotient. That means A is equal to BC. When we multiply 2 is equal to 4, that means quotient multiplied divisor is equal to dividend. So next one is the coefficient of a quotient of two monomials is equal to the quotient of their coefficients. Second one is the variable in quotient of two monomials is equal to quotient of variable in given monomials. So let's start our first example of this topic. Divide 15x raised to power 3 y raised to power 2 by 5x square y. Firstly, we have to write the statement. That means 5 x square x cube y square by 5x square y. Here we have used the identity. That means if we have given x raised to power n divided by x raised to power n, so the answer is x raised to power m minus n. So firstly, write in it a division form. 15x cube y square divided by 5x square y. That means constants are divided by constant term, variables are divided by variables. That means x is divided by x and y is divided by y. That not y divided by x and y divided by x. So first 15 upon 5 multiply x raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power 2 multiply y raised to power 2 divided by y raised to power 1. Here we have no power, that means y raised to power 1. Also remember, if we have given a power 0, if any term power is 0, so answer is 1. If there is no power, that means its power is 1. So when we divide 5 by 15, we know that 5 3s are 15. So write 3, multiply. Now how can we divide x raised to power 3 into x raised to power 2? That means write x raised to power 3 as it is. Here we have a power of x2. When we raise the power up, that means it is, when we subtract 2 from 3, that means it is in negative form. Multiply y raised to power 2 minus 1। और ये एक बात का ध्यान रखना है, जब भी हमारे पास जो टर्म नीचे पॉजिटिव है, अगर हमने उन दोनों को डिवाइड करना है तो ऊपर जाके वो पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी। अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे नेगेटिव फॉर्म में है पावर, तो देन वो हमारे पास ऊपर जाके एडिशन होगी। वी हैव टेकन नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस टर्म टाइप। सो राइट 3 मल्टीप्लाई x raised to power 3 minus 1, that means x raised to power 1. Here y raised to power 2 minus 1, y raised to power 1. So that means answer is 3xy. When we multiply 3 with x or y, it is 3xy. So moving to next question is divide minus 52 a raised to power 5, b raised to power 3, c raised to power 4 by minus 2a cube bc square. We have given a statement minus 52 a raised to power 5 and b. Firstly, write in a division form 52 a raised to power 5, b raised to power 3, c raised to power 4 divided by minus 2a cube bc square. So cut the minus with minus, because we know that in multiplication we have, if two terms are negative, that answer is positive. That's why cut the minus by minus. So write 52 by 2 multiply a raised to power 5 by, here we have given a raised to power 3, multiply b raised to power 3, in denominator b raised to power 1, multiply c raised to power 4, in numerator we have given, in denominator we have given c raised to power 2. Now 52 by 2, firstly cut the 2 by 4, that means we have to divide 52 by 2. When we divide 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4 1, next 2 6 are 12. So write 26 in the place of 52 when we divide it by 52. So next term is a raised to power 5 upon a raised to power 3. So that means 26 multiply a raised to power 5. Write numerator as it is and power of denominator we take up, that means in a negative form, that means 5 minus 3. Next similar b minus 1 multiply c raised to power 4 minus c raised to power 2. So answer is 26, 5 minus 3 2, a raised to power 2, and b 3 minus 1 b raised to power 2, c power 4 minus 2 2, so c is square. So answer is 26 a square, b square and c square. In this way we can divide one monomial to the another monomial. So every monomial consists of one term, but a single term may not always be monomial. Second one is multiplication of monomial results in a monomial, but division of monomial by another monomial may not result in monomial. For example, 12x raised to power 3 y raised to power 2 divided by 3x y raised to power 4. Here we have firstly divide 3 by 12, answer is 4. Next x raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 1 into y raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 4. Here 4x square y raised to power minus 2. देखो अब हमारे पास पावर क्या आ रही है, नेगेटिव फॉर्म में आ रही है, तो इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, नेगेटिव को जब इसका रेसिप्रोकल करोगे तो ये पॉजिटिव होएगी. जब देखो वही सिमिलर बात हमारे पास है, इफ़ वी हैव नेगेटिव टर्म ऑन अ डिनोमिनेटर, इफ वी टेक अप ऑन टू द इट ऑन न्यूमिनेटर, दैट मीन्स इट इज ऑन द नेगेटिव फॉर्म. बट इफ द पावर ऑफ न्यूमिनेटर y is given in negative form, the result is y upon 2 in positive form divided by 1. So not a monomial because it is in a fractional form. So next one is simplify 160 x raised to power 11 y raised to power 9 160 x raised to power 11 y raised to power 9 z raised to power 4 u raised to power 3 by 4x raised to power 5 y raised to power 3 z zu u square. So firstly 160 upon 4 multiply x raised to power 11 by x raised to power 5, multiply y raised to power 9 by y raised to power 3, multiply z raised to power 4 by z, multiply u raised to power 3 u square divided by u square. So 1 by 60 write as it is. Firstly x raised to power 11 minus 5, y raised to power 9 minus 3 because here the power of y is 3, z raised to power 4 minus z raised to power 1, multiply u raised to power 3, here we have 2 power of u, that means subtract 2, 4 fours are 60, that means answer is 40, multiply x raised to power 11 minus 5, it is 6, y raised to power 9 minus 3, it is 6, z raised to power 4 minus 3, it is 3, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and u raised to power 3 minus 2, it is 1. So answer is 40x power 6, y 6, z power 6, z power 3 and u power 1. So in this way we can simplify the division. Given in this way we can divide two monomials, and after dividing the monomials sometime we get monomials, but sometime we did not get monomial because sometime its answer is in fractional form or negative form.